Good morning, parents and children. I hope you have a nice day today. Welcome to Mr. Ramirez spelling class today. And we will learn about countable and uncountable. This is the topic. The objective is to learn what are countable and uncountable nouns. We will work on pages 28 and 29. Okay. In lesson 1, page 28, okay, we will cover this topic. Can you see? What does nature do for us? Maybe you are asking, what is nature? Nature is whatever our five senses can perceive. Nature is the air, water, soil, plant, animals, and the flowers, the wind, natural resources. You have learned in class what are natural resources, and today you will learn the vocabulary related to natural resources. And I want you to pay attention to this vocabulary. Can you see this vocabulary? Okay, related to natural resources. Okay, barley, chickpea, coal, corn, crude oil, germ, honey, iron, leather, oat, timber, wheat, and wool, and pea, silk, soil, squash, and so on. And you see, all this vocabulary is related to natural resources. Okay, on page 28, can you see? Page 28, this is page 28. We will work in this page, okay? And where it says, match the words with the definition, we are going to connect the word with its meaning. As you see, number 1, coat, with letter D. The definition is a black solid substance used as fuel. Crude oil, the definition is crude oil is oil in its natural state. And so, as you can see, these are the two pages in which we are going to work today. But, okay, the main topic of this class is countable and uncountable noun. First of all, I want to define what is noun. I want you to remember what is a noun. Noun is a noun name, a person, animal, thing, or idea. And nouns are divided in countable and uncountable. I have over here in my table, okay, example of countable, uncountable, and countable noun. As you can see, milk, oil, sugar, wheat or flour, water. These are uncountable now because we cannot count them, okay? And these are example of countable now because we can count one by one. Example, eggs, lemons, tomatoes, orange, books, marker. These are example of countable noun. As I told you, what is the difference between uncountable and countable noun? Okay, it's clear that, okay, uncountable we cannot count, and we do not use with uncountable nouns. We don't use the article a, and, okay. We don't use this article with uncountable noun. And with uncountable noun, okay, we can use numbers or, okay, or as you see, in this page. Countable numbers, okay. Countable number, okay, we can use a and an before the noun. And uncountable number, we don't use a and before the noun. At least we use an exact measurement such as kilogram or pound. So the most important I want you to understand in this class, spelling class, is the difference between countable and uncountable. As I told you, okay, I want you to say this, okay, countable noun, and uncountable nouns. Look, these are the division. As I told you, countable noun, we use with them a and an, okay? And with uncountable noun, we cannot use this, okay? We cannot use a and an, okay? We cannot use, okay? You have to use with this, just for example, I say, I want to drink some water. I want to drink some water. I need milk. We don't say I want a milk, but if we refer to countable nouns, we say one egg, one orange, two markers. Okay, I want to clarify. I want you keep in your mind what is the difference between these are countable and these are uncountable. Uncountable, we cannot count them. Okay, we cannot say one sugar. One sugar. It's incorrect to say one sugar. We say I need some sugar, but you can say I need one tomato, or I need 2 eggs. Okay, all the nouns that you can count one by one, okay, are countable nouns. And maybe you are thinking in your mind, you are thinking another example of uncountable and countable noun. Uncountable noun, you can think of juice, soil, wind, air, okay, concept like love, happiness, hate, okay, those are uncountable nouns. So, today I want you think in your mind and keep this definition of countable noun and uncountable noun. Remember, okay, countable noun, we use a and an with them, and also we use them in singular. A and an, we use them with singular countable noun. And also we can say some uncountable noun that when we use a countable noun, the subject and the verb, okay, what I mean, it must agree, okay? There must be an agreement between the verb and the noun. Because, for example, I want an apple. Look, okay, I want an apple. Okay, this is singular, that's why we use the article an. But uncountable noun, example, I need some water. Look, okay, I need some water. And uncountable noun don't use this article, a and am. And some countable noun, okay, they already come as in plural form. Example, glasses, can you see? Glasses, pant, saving, stare. Okay, this already come in plural form, this countable noun. Okay, and as you see in this page, in these 2 pages, the answer are already done. Okay, the exercise are already done. You just copy in your book the answer, and I want you work in your house, writing the answer in your book, and as an assignment, as homework, you are going to repeat, okay, 3 times this vocabulary. Vocabulary related to natural resources. You are going to repeat 3 times in your notebook beside answer in your book, okay, as I had. Okay, just as a review, we are going to repeat again the vocabulary related to natural resources, okay? Barley, chickpea, coal, corn, crude oil, pea, silk, soil, squash, sunlight, gem, honey, iron, leather, oat, timber, wheat, and wool. This vocabulary is related to natural resources you have on page 28. As I told you, okay, the assignment or the homework for today is repeat, okay, repeat each word 3 times in your notebook. That is the assignment. Thank you very much for paying attention to spelling class. I hope you have understood what is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. Thank you.